Welcome to this demo of Kubernetes ransomware protection with Kasten K10 and Backblaze. Here we are in Kasten K10 by Veeam's graphical user interface. We automatically discover all installed applications inside of a Kubernetes cluster automatically. To protect data inside of Kasten K10, the first thing that we'll want to do is add an S3 compatible storage such as Backblaze B2. Let's go ahead and create an immutable repository on Backblaze.com. It's as simple as signing in and creating a new bucket. We'll select Create a New Bucket on the Backblaze B2 interface. Let's give this bucket a unique name and enable object lock capability. This enables ransomware immutable protection inside of the B2 bucket. Let's set the default retention policy for the bucket and click Save Changes. Let's create an application key for this bucket. Enter the name of the key and select the bucket for this new key. We're now finished configuring our Backblaze B2 storage bucket. Let's return to the Kasten K10 interface and finish our location profile setup. Let's give our profile a name, enter the access key and secret, enter the Backblaze endpoint URL, the region, and the bucket name. We'll now enable immutable bucket policy and validate the bucket. Kasten K10 validates that all configuration is correct on the underlying storage bucket. Select your protection period with the slider inside the K10 interface and click Save Profile. We now have a new Backblaze S3 immutable object repository configured to create backup policies against. Let's return to our dashboard, select our application panel, and let's create a new policy to protect WordPress. Select our backup frequency, snapshot retention, and select our new Backblaze immutable repository as our location profile. And click Create Policy. Let's select Run Once to run this backup policy now. If we return to the Kasten K10 dashboard, we can now see this policy run in progress. Once our backup policy is completed, the data is exported to the backup repository, and our data is now protected. As you can see now, our WordPress application is compliant with our data protection policy for ransomware. That has been our demo for Kubernetes ransomware protection with Kasten K10 and Backblaze.